Here you go, folks. It's Stewie here, Stewie's Adventures again. Setting up towards Waikerie to do a couple days camping. Thought I'd get away before I start a new job, and the first point of call was to get a bit of firewood. So as you can see, there's a bit of firewood everywhere. Got the saw out. I don't know if you can see on top of the roof there. So we're in the Maize Island Conservation Park. Like a bit of an equestrian thing here. It's a bit rough here. There's tracks on the road, so there's people around here. Track. I'd actually never been down here before, or on this track, so not really sure where it's going to take me, but look, honestly, it doesn't really matter. We'll find a camp spot, go into the soft sand. Probably should put into four-wheel drive soon. Yeah, boy. Track through there. I might spend half the day just driving around these tracks. That poor aerial of mine. I'll tell you what, there's plenty of wood up here. Over this hill here. Oh, look at that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, go, 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 go. Where am I going? Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit, up that hill there. Here we go. Not too fast, not too fast. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh dear. Put into full height. Oh, I just locked us in a diff and off we go. Righto, I'll do that again. Put that in the way. Here we go. Where's this taking me? Oh, we'll go around this way. Sand, sand, sand. Oh, it goes left. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it goes left. Oh. Oh, slide around there. Look at that. Well, I'm going to get the drone out in a minute to see how that goes. Just got to go up this little hill first, and then I'll get the drone out. I think I need a drink though. Oof, bit warm work. Oh, here we go. There we go. We're getting a bit stuck. Oh, we gotta come down this hill. So there's lots of sand dunes everywhere you look. And they're fairly soft. So right now I've got it in I've just got to be careful what I take because I need to go through this. Oh. need to be careful what I do so I don't get bogged. I'm on my own. This is solo camping. Get up there. Oh, the sand is a bit softer now. Oh yeah, oh, I can feel that. Oh, the sand is a lot softer. Just throw that into second gear. Oh, that looks very soft there. Here we go. Oh, very soft. Oh, look at this. Go, 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 go. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. Oh, here we go. Oh, Jesus. I'll go this way. Oh, Jesus. Oh, everything's bouncing around. I don't know, I'll go this way. Go up here. So I've just lost the drone and now I'm going back to retrieve it. This is a bit of a steep little hill here. Oh, buggered. There we go, up the hill. Yeah, we're gonna go back left here. We're gonna go left. I got my bloody drone. Oh, here we go, bang. Ooh. So I know where it is on my little map. It's just a matter I've got to go and retrieve it. I don't know exactly where it is, but I sort of got a fair idea it's in this little section here. Yeah, so I've lost the drone. I don't know where it is. The last time I took a photo was just over here. So I've looked up in the trees and I've looked on the ground and I've had a beer. Yeah, first time I've used it. It's time to hit the tracks again. Can't sit and dwell on it. I was hoping to see the little lights on it, but I don't know, it's gone. I ain't gonna climb up that, that's just too high for me. I'm old. So, anyway, dems the brakes and yeah, hopefully in the next 2 seconds I'll find it, but I doubt it very much that I'm gonna find it now. How beautiful. It's not that cold actually. It says it's minus something, but sunrise is about to come up. So the billy's on, ready for a nice cup of tea. You could ask yourself, how many of millions of years has this sat like this? God, it looks like it's on fire. That is just the sunrise. How cool is that? Actually looks like it's on fire. Okay, this is my last morning here. Pack up in a couple of hours. The pelicans are getting their fish for the morning. And the pelicans are hanging around my frickin' rod. That's my camp spot finished. Cleaned all up. Haven't left any mess at all. I've actually picked up quite a bit of rubbish from this area, and I burnt it. So yeah, I leave my campsites as I found them, or if not better. So now it's time to hit the Frog and Toad and go have a bit of play in some of these tracks. Well, check this little bit out here. Oh, that's soft. Oh, that's killer. Soft. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Old Stormy, she loves it. She loves it. Oh, should I go down there? Oh, look how mad that is. Yeah, fuck it, let's do it. Turn around somewhere though. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. I can't see it. I can't see it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, these ruts are bigger than I thought. Oh, fuck no. Oh. Holy fuck. Holy hell. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. There we go. Oh, fuck. Oh, I just stole it. Oh, no. Oh, now I'm bogged now. Uh-oh. Alright, I'm bogged. Fuck. Okay, so I'm stuck here. I'm actually stuck on the way down, so I might have to get the shovel out in a minute. I'll show you what I'm trying to do. Oh, I need to get my thongs off. Sand's beautiful. So I'm up there, stuck. So I just need to turn the steering wheel left and I'll be right. A bit of flex at the back there. Ooh. So yeah, I should have come down that one maybe. Maybe I shouldn't have come down this side, I don't know. There's just hill climbs after hill climbs. So I'm gonna go back up that one there. That one. I'm gonna have to flog it. Some of these ruts are too big, but like, I've got a 2-inch lift on my car, so I should be okay. I'll see how we go. Okay, I'm out. Whoa. Oh well, I'm out now. That was pretty epic. What else can I find around here? Okay, here we go. It's all downhill, so it's fairly calm. Oh yeah. Seriously, look, that's there. That is there just for me, surely. I don't know where I'm going now. That's got my name all over it. I'm coming down that one. Wicked. It's quite easy.